I think FCML has managed to really change the way bathroom retailing is done in the country.
It's good to see a brand like FCML come into Bangalore because FCML brings in a lot of variety in terms of different styles, different other brands which they kind of combine within. So it helps it easier and makes it easier for architects to bring in clients and almost sort of show them a wide selection.
What they're seeing is not just products, they're actually seeing concepts. As all the FCML stores are, they're beautifully detailed, they're very kind of customer friendly, very friendly to the architects and designers. So it really becomes a kind of a nice, loungy kind of environment where one can kind of sit down at leisure and go through a plethora of products.
Value to terms of design, pristineness, clean lines, the ability to try new things with a space as simple as a bathroom and make it an exciting space.
Once I started working with them, I actually didn't work with anybody else. Their service is impeccable and they meet my standards of quality, which I think is fabulous.
So you could probably walk into the store and you could probably pick up 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Walk out with almost your entire house done. They have amazing products, great services, and there's always something innovative and new.
Beautiful, it's a delight for the senses. I just want to move in baggage, you know. I want to be sitting in that tub. You know, it's amazing.
They're giving me an experience where I'm replaced and put into a different world altogether, and I can see the holistic picture right down to the sort of the earbuds next to my basin. So I think that kind of attention to detail and that kind of concept store is incredible.
They've got a selection for every kind of person here, whether you're, or every kind of interiors, whether it's a farmhouse, whether it's a small apartment, whether it's a big home. I just love this space.
FCML as a brand stands for quality along with the service, which in today's day you either get one or the other.
As I said, I would choose it over other brands because I think the display, the presentation, the look and feel of the store, the interactive sections, as they're not interactive, but the fact that you can turn on taps and things, the live part of it is there with shower installations, but not with basins and things. So that makes a difference.
It's a magical space. It's got tons of character. It's got oodles of charm.
So it's always good to have everything under one shop, as well as, again, the designs. The designs is, I think, what gives FCML its cutting edge.
They basically educate the clients, They don't force any particular product on the client as such. They guide you as per the client's need,
For us, it stands as, like I said, an aid to design and interiors. It stands as, I think, also a great brainstorming center where you can really come and you can get ideas from the team at FCML itself.
This thing about FCML is that they've made everyone, including architects, rethink, reevaluate how a bathroom space should be looked at.
FCML just represents quality, and you know that you come here and you buy a product and it's going to be good.
The products are so beautiful and we get to see them displayed the way they are here, so people can imagine, design and imagine what they're going to look like. So it really helps every designer to come here and it's like a storytelling.
As of today in India, the only company that we know who can give us the kind of standard stuff at par with our works is FCML.
Great to have FCML in Bangalore because after a long time we have a store which is, we don't need to go to Italy. Now we have Italy in Bangalore, have everything.
Advantage now is to see most of their products actually displayed. I think for architects it's easier to kind of read products designed in a space, but I think it's a great advantage for consumers to actually see products displayed in the way they're going to be set up.
We've used them extensively recently and are continuing to use them as well. With the new products coming in, I think there's a lot more that they're offering, and I think they're going great guns.
I think fairly progressive and interesting to work because they don't work for you, they work with you, which is quite nice.
And I think it's a great idea to just get connect people in the industry. We tend to work in our little isolated bubbles of creativity, and I think these opportunities are wonderful to meet other architects, to just have a space where you can connect in a relaxed fashion.
I have a wonderful relationship with FCML. Yeah, I like the collection. There are various things that, but I'm one of those people who believes that it doesn't really matter what you spend on a product, it's how you put it together.
It has been a great asset to interior designers, architects, to even understand the product's availability better and also design better. And obviously the end user is very happy with this. That's why they're so successful. But if you're making a home or you're making a hotel, go to FCML.